Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I actually planned on doing some work on the BMW, but I think it's too much of a nice day to be lying down on the floor and getting dirty and oily. So it's a job that can wait, so we're going to go out for a bit of a drive. And this is more of a daily vlog. I've not really done one of these, but that's what it is. It's more of a daily vlog. So we'll go out for a bit of a drive and bring you along for a journey. So yeah. Right, so what I wanted to do was get like on the grass edges over there. You can do it at some car parks, but they're all full and I don't want to do this talking on camera in front of everyone, so I just decided to pull up here in a nice quiet car park in front of these nice gates, and we'll do it here. So what do we want to put on the car today? Well, this is it. This is what we want to put on the car today. Some of you may recognise this logo, Potential. Dan AYP, shout out Dan AYP. So I give Dan a message on Instagram and I said, like, I want to buy one of your stickers. I've spoken to him quite a few times. I give him a message, said, listen, I want to buy one of your stickers. He said, don't worry about it. Send me your address and I'll send you one out for free, and that's what he did. Sent me this out for free, so thank you very much. Thumbs up, Dan AYP. If you don't know who he is, go check out his channel. He's got around 2,000 subscribers. If you're into your JDM stuff, he's definitely a man for you. He's got himself a Civic Coupe that he's doing a 90s/noughties tuner look. But that's it, we're rambling on. Without further ado then, let's find somewhere for this to go. So my initial thoughts were the back window, but looking at that, I don't really, because if we put it up it'll be hidden by the spoiler, and when we bring it down it's going to be, I'm not sure if I like it there. I was thinking side window, but shout out Jamie FYD, I've already got one of his stickers on each side, and if I could put Dan's sticker there, but he's only sent me one and it won't be symmetrical. My other idea is front windscreen, like there. I just don't think it's got I don't think that sticker's big enough. So my other option, and the one that I'm more than likely going to go for, is here, top of the windscreen, right in the middle, above the rain and light sensor. I think that's where we're going to be going. So it'll be and if it'll stay, it'll kind of look like that. Yeah, I quite like the look of that. I think that's where we're going. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean it off. I've got some Autogen glass and a nice microfiber. Day. So we're going to give it a go. Let's start the car up. Yeah, some of you probably don't know this, but yeah, I've got a proper 90s or noughties style Kenwood KVT DVD player. It's a while because of the technology and the age, but as you can see it's absolutely raining. The weather's really bipolar at the minute, is the way I describe it. So we're going to have some fog lamps because of the rain, some windscreen wipers. You see Dan's sticker just there. I hope it's alright in the rain. Go on a B-Road. Not really want to be bashing too much B-Roads in this weather, but hey, oh, here we go. I was hoping to get some cinematics, but obviously that hasn't been possible because of how busy it is. Everyone's going to be leaving now, so it's probably going to be quite busy on the roads. But hey, oh, here we go. I hope we've got some things. Obviously it's raining, everyone's jumped in and decided that they're now going home because the nice weather's gone. It is still 23 degrees outside though. Yeah, go on Mr. SL there, yeah. He was getting a bit angry, weren't he, in the way he was jerking out that junction. Where I was hoping to get, so you can, hopefully you can see the windmill there. I was hoping to park up on the grass, if I'm honest, like be a little bit cheeky, a little bit naughty. There's a bit of a path, get up on that path and park in front of the grass from cinematic to the car. Obviously that hasn't worked. Right, so I'm going to stop the video at this point here. You'll catch up with me when we're on the B-Road. Right, so these traffic lights here, we're taking a left. So we're going to go left. This road, I think it's called Church Road. I don't know if it's got a B-Road, so this first bit then is quite well built up. So we'll take our time going through here, respecting the residents.
Keeping high up off the ground, in a haze, in the crowd, we ain't ever coming down, we ain't ever coming down, like islands in the sky.
Big lot of rubble there in the middle of the road. Fly tippers, thumbs up fly tippers, yeah, nice one. So as you can saw then, that was the B-Road. It was quite a short little blast. I didn't go too crazy. Just because of the weather really. But we're now in Freckleton, so slow down, respect the residents of the end of the road. It's quite a bumpy road. Yeah. We'll let Mr. Polo go first, look at that. In fact, we'll let this wagon come through, won't we? Always letting us go. That's a good bit of parking there. Car's getting very wet. Whee! Letting them cars go. So this is the end, so we can press on. It's that puddle. And that is the end of that little B-roll. We're now at a roundabout. We're going to go right on this roundabout back towards Preston. It is very rainy. Bit of a wiggle there off the roundabout in the rain. So I am going to end the video here, guys. Thank you very much for watching.